Here's a quick size comparison between the a6700 Zve10 and the a7 II. So the a6700 is actually a little bit thicker through here and has a little bit bigger grip than the a7 II. The Zve10 is kind of heavy actually, but it's significantly smaller. So you can see here, yeah, see this goes back to here. Yeah, that's significantly thicker through there, and the grip's a little bigger. Now it is shorter, of course. So if you want your Zve10 to feel like an a6700, here's a grip from Small Rig. I'll have it linked in the description. And then you got this thumb grip here. I'll have that linked in the description as well. And it kind of makes the Zve10 feel comfortable in the hand, even if you have a larger hand. And it actually feels even more solid than the a6700 because the thumb grip's definitely a little bigger. I feel like I had a little more grip on the Zve10 with that grip than I do even on a much bigger camera here with the a6700. So I do think this is the best grip for the Zve10. It's squishy, padded silicone, and this even has a little bit of like leather texture there. Really solid grip on this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have some videos comparing these two cameras. This is much heavier with this than this camera is though, but they're very similar in a lot of ways. So stay tuned for that. So this is phenomenal. It's a viewfinder for cameras that don't have viewfinders, like the Zve E1, the Zve 10, or the Zve1. It collapses in on itself, but you can just pop it out like this when it's time to use it. It's a little loose right here. I would put some glue in there or something once you got it where you want it. All right, so the Zve10 is actually a little too small for it to actually hook on unless you have a cage, like that Small Rig cage. It did work with that cage on it, but it's just not, that hole's not going back enough. So without a cage or an extension grip, it actually is a little too small. But this could be useful if you had the extension grip and then you had this on there, because then you could use big, heavy lenses and do some wildlife photography. And I've actually used this setup. So yeah, I'll have links in the description below. Check it out. Buy it through the links. Thanks for watching. This is the grip I was talking about. So that adds a little bit of like weight and size to the camera, but that allows the viewfinder actually fit on there properly. But it is nice to be able to take that grip off if you want to use a small lens like this 20mm f2.8. Then you've got kind of a pocketable setup if you have a jacket pocket. Scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.